Why are you scared?
I don't know. Butterflies landing on me.
Why would that be scary? They're butterflies. Oh my god. Why are you scared?
I don't know. Butterflies landing on me.
Why would that be scary? They're butterflies. Oh my god. What is going on, Beat Bunch? We are at the University of Florida in Gainesville to see the Florida Museum of Natural History. But really, the reason I came here is so Mary can gawk at thousands of butterflies and thousands of butterflies. Just like that.
Oh, it's so pretty.
No, 60. Oh, I scared it. Go give him a kiss, hon. He doesn't look so hot.
No, the top of his wings seem wet.
They're all over the place.
In my backyard. I want to touch it.
Mommy, look.
Touch it. Come it.
Right here. Look
So
at
pretty.
that one's.
That one's beautiful.
That one's nice, right?
Yeah. It's like a yellow and a green.
Yeah, that's cool. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. It's like lemon red. Wait, I think that's a snake.
It's not.
Come on.
Don't molest the butterflies, hon.
I just want to hold it.
Oh, how cute. Such a butterfly. Yeah, this is the different stages. Oh.
He's coming out.
He's coming out, Lucky.
What? Where is he? Wow.
They'll be in the forest tomorrow.
Oh, wow.
Look at that panther. Turtle. Tortoise.
Short-faced bear.
Yeah, that's our Florida black bears.
I wouldn't want to dare be bit by that thing. Big bad kitty.
Bears.
That's a beastly bear.
Belongs to anus. It does. Anus. What's this? Large-headed llama?
What is this thing? I don't know what it is, though.
It's a Hodson Schmittar tooth cat. This thing was in Florida 2.5 million years ago. Look at the size of this thing.
It could give birth to me.
I think it's
It
huge.
could give birth to you.
Oh my god. Oh, look at that thing.
There's a head honcho in the food chain.
Yeah, well look at that. Evolutionary dead end. I wonder what that means.
Just doesn't know where the hell it came from. That's creepy.
That's a sawfish. And that.
Follow my truck.
Look at that.
Oh.
I was gonna see how long you were gonna hold yourself there. The butterfly.
You found it.
Lucky, look, it's your brother. Right here. Say hi, friend.
Oh my God.
Say hi, friend.
No.
Collect the nectar.
Wait.
3.
So 3 left.
So put 3 and then 1 visit.
1 visit.
Now do another one.
Blue.
1? Oh boy.
What is your problem?
I want to play with the.
You're being moody again. Stop being so moody all the time. Look at you, moody for no reason. Why are you even crying? Do you even know why you're crying? I don't think you do.
I want
11.
to play with the.
Pollination points 9. Did you first survive all 6 moth missions? Yes. Oh, 39.
3, 4.
Are we alive or are we a dead moth?
9. But you need to add 30 more, so you got. Yeah, step up. You survived all mission. There you go. You got all your points.
How many?
76.
We pollinated everything. You know what I'm saying? No, that's not the point. You have to finesse the puck.
You have to what?
Finesse the puck.
Oh God.
See that?
Wow. All right, you go first. Okay. Oh, too hard. Finesse. Finesse the puck. There was bad finessing.
That was 4 points.
Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah.
Not good at these games anymore.
I'm a bee. Here, Daddy. Back on it.
We only have a little bit left.
Lucky, what are you supposed to? Bella, what are you supposed to be?
Butterfly. Butterfly. Wait, let's put them on. Put it on, Lucky. Don't record us because we're going to do something.
You like it?
It's Ant-Man. Where's your antlers? Antennas.
Ants don't have antlers.
I'm a butterfly. I'm a butterfly. I'm a butterfly. I'm a butterfly.
Driving a boat? Science girl. You know what that is? That's snake skin. What are you looking for, buddy?
The balloon.
The balloon? Watch your head. Nothing else in there, buddy. Silkworm pupae. You want to eat this stuff? Cricket pasta?
No.
Look, you and your bearded dragon can enjoy a lunch together.
If you've seen one Chewy, you've seen one Chewy.
Everybody's got an acre or more.
I want to. Everything's very flavorful here. Lots to choose from, lots of sauces. Don't try the green ones.
Do you think we should really be eating Mexican before a road trip back home?
Oh, for you maybe.
Food.
What'd you get? Is it good?
I got a nacho macho burrito. You should have called it the nacho camacho.
You're not funny.
Hey, Bucky, eat your food.
How's your burrito, Mom?
Good.
I don't have my burrito.
Oh, you don't have any food?
I do.
Uh-oh.
She had to correct my burrito.
Oh.
Mommy and French fries.
How's your burrito with guacamole?
I love
No complaints.
this chicken.
Not good.
Do you love your chicken?
It's too hot.
This is Mary's vagina spread.
Chicken, steak, and shrimps.
But look, then she got some sauce, fries and rice, a big bowl of condiments, and then tortillas.